Hey, have you ever heard of machine learning? In this video, I'm going to give a quick intro to this concept and a little about the opportunities it offers. This video is perfect for a person looking to start or advance their career in tech, or is just interested in our digital world. Machine learning is perhaps the start of the final era of computing and introduces a whole new way humans use machines. Let's take a quick look at how we've used machines in history to appreciate this huge development. Early computing allowed us to run calculations that could be done by humans, just faster. Modern computing with websites and mobile apps responds to inputs directly given to the program, like selecting your level of expertise when playing a game, or indirect inputs, like your location. In machine learning, programs learn from data and improve their accuracy over time without being programmed. A team of engineers from Elon Musk's startup, OpenAI, created a program that beats the world's best players of Dota 2, one of the hardest games in the world to master. The machine, or bot, played simulations against itself to learn how to win. In just 2 weeks, it amassed multiple lifetimes worth of experience of actual play. One of the best human players said it felt like he was playing a human, but a little like something else. With machine learning, the program isn't responding to our inputs. It's looking for solutions to problems humans could probably never solve. Machine learning holds promising breakthroughs for medicine, technology, banking, and anywhere where we need to make a prediction based on a huge set of data. People also consider machine learning to be part of artificial intelligence since, like artificial intelligence, it can help make sense of patterns. There's a lot more to learn about this topic. Take a look at the description for more information, and thanks for watching.